Cancer stole Kim Malchuk's husband. She didn't let it rob her spirit. As her broken heart began to mend, Kim likewise took steps to redirect her life to a course of inspired purpose. In defining the Kiminitions, Kim sought to share her story. The result, tasting rain. The message within the pages of Kim's best-selling award-winning memoir is simple and universal. When we realize that changing our thoughts can change our lives, a new world of possibilities unfold. Kim is eager to continue asking the questions, why not now? Enjoying tremendous audience response, she welcomes the opportunity to reach out to others with